Summit Refrigerator Model FF63BKBIIFADA repairs. Summit 24-inch freestanding or built-in counter-depth compact refrigerator with 5.5 cubic feet capacity, glass right hinge, crisper drawer, automatic defrost CFC-free, wine rack in panel ready. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Summit manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Summit appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. No refrigeration. Is power plug disconnected? Re-plug. Faulty circuit breaker or blown fuse? Open the door and check whether the lamp is lit. No electricity? Peculiar smell in refrigerator. Any spoiled food? Throw away spoiled food. Do you need to clean refrigerator? Clean refrigerator. Does stored food have a strong odor? Pack food with strong odors tightly. Poor refrigerating efficiency. Did you put in hot food or too much food? Put food into refrigerator only when hot food becomes cool. Did you open the door frequently? Don't open the door more often than necessary. Is a food container or bag caught in the door seal? Check the door gasket. Direct sunlight or near a furnace or stove. Remove the refrigerator from the heat source. Is it well ventilated? Clear any obstructions to maintain good ventilation. Temperature setting too high? Set to the appropriate temperature. Abnormal noise. Is refrigerator stable? Adjust refrigerator's adjustable feet. Does refrigerator touch the wall? Move unit away from the wall.